थोड़ा सा ना व्लॉग स्टाइल में और ऑर्गेनिक और रियल रखते हैं। आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट एक मेरी जो अपनी वाइब है वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। क्या होता है दैट आप स्किप भी कर सकते हो बेसिकली। दैट क्या है ना कि मेरे फेस पे भी बम्प्स आ गए हैं, पिंपल्स आप देख रहे होंगे। इतना ज़्यादा नहीं दिख रहा होगा कैमरा पे, लेकिन आई कैन फील दैट हाँ मैंने पैक नहीं लगाया, 2 हफ्ते हो गए मैंने फेस पैक अप्लाई नहीं करा अपने फेस में, एंड तब से देखो आप मेरी स्किन की हालत क्या होगी। सो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगी दैट प्लीज़ आप इस पैक को ट्राई करो। एंड जिन लोगों के फेस पर मिनी बम्प्स आ गए हैं, इट कैन डू वंडर्स फॉर योर स्किन, नॉट बम्प्स, माई फेस पैक कैन डू वंडर्स फॉर योर स्किन। एंड या आज मेरा फिल्मिंग डे था, आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्टेंट एक्चुअली फॉर यू गाइज। तो मैं अभी उसको एडिट करने बैठूँगी, तब तक के लिए आप इस फेस पैक को इंजॉय करो। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड या डोंट फॉरगेट सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, और बहुत ही अच्छे वीडियोज़ आने वाले हैं। सो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब, बाय।
So now let's begin with today's video. As you can see, my skin is not looking so good, it's looking dull actually. So to treat our skin, we have to add some natural ingredients and give a good glow to our skin. Okay, so for preparing this face pack, you guys have to take glass bowl, because glass is something which do not react with very easily. So please don't forget to take that. Then we have to add neem powder and then sandalwood powder, and then we are going to add this Lakshmi Krishna natural gel. Basically it's a very good handmade purely crafted gel, and I will recommend you guys to try this out. It smells wonderful, and this is our main ingredient, because in this ingredients are kesar, chandan and many much ingredients. So to know more about this gel, please don't forget to check out their Instagram page, their Instagram store, Lakshmi Krishna Naturals. So please go and check it out. So here I am taking 2 spoons of neem powder, chandan powder yani ki sandalwood powder, and 2 spoons of this gel. Then we're gonna add tea tree oil, because you know we have pimples, so we have to add it. If you do not have this, then you can skip it, but please don't forget to add it next time. So yeah, let's add it, and only 1 to 2 drops we have to add, not much, otherwise it can harm our skin. Then I'm adding the toner. This is my homemade toner. I've already shared the recipe, so you can mix your any face mist, any regular toner which you have used or you are currently using. Then we have to mix it up. I am adding much more toner because I have to give a good consistency. As you can see, the consistency should be not so thick, not so light. That's it.
Don't forget to wash your hands as well as face for better or best result. Okay, so for washing my face, I'm going to use a beautiful miracle ingredient, and this is this. This is a beautiful soap which is specifically made for your face, and it's very gentle with no harmful chemicals. So I'm going to use this for as a face wash. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open it, then I will talk to you. Packaging is super good, because they have double wrapped it. Okay, not bubble, they have double wrapped it. Well, firstly they have used this, and secondly they have packed it with this polythene plastic cover. Okay, I need some time to open this. It's beautiful. You can just see, oh my god. So as you guys know that we use soap bars on our body, but not for our face because they are harmful. But this bar, this beautiful soap, you can use it very easily on your face, because it has all the natural ingredients and it is homemade. Specifically handmade and homemade products they have. So I have these 2 beautiful products from Lakshmi Krishna Naturals. Firstly they have their gel. It's so soothing gel, so calming gel, and secondly I have the soap. So after applying it, I will tell you guys. Okay, so finally I have washed my face with clean water, plain water actually. Okay, so now I'm going to use this. Simply I'm going to rub some of the soap, and gently I'm going to apply it all over my face. Okay. So finally I have washed my face with their beautiful handcrafted soap, and this is how my face looks. You know, so clean, no oil residue is there, totally pure soft skin I am feeling. I can feel actually. Yeah, I am going to give 100% recommendation for their products. Please go and check it out. Their Instagram handle is right here. So please go and check it out. Otherwise, I have also linked out their handle in the description box, so please go and check it out as well. So yeah, now it's time for the face part. So now we're gonna apply it step by step. So this is how my skin is looking. Can you see the glow? I can see it, and I hope that you guys can see. You know, my pimples have reduced so much. So yeah, I want to recommend you guys this face pack, and I want you guys to try this face pack and show me and send me your pictures on my Instagram named as Simona Vlogs. And the best part that I have used the gel, that Kesar Chandan or that saffron gel that I have used from Lakshmi Krishna Naturals works wonders for me. After applying the face pack, I have also applied a bit of the gel. Sorry, I forgot to shoot the clip. Actually, you know, my camera battery got died. Seriously, okay. So leave it apart. The gel was really this amazing, superb, all the fragrance, and you know, when you will apply it now, then you can feel it, that yeah, it can do wonders for your skin, and it is doing actually. So to know more about the gel, about the products, please go check it out in the description box. You will find the link below. Click on that link, and yeah, follow them on Instagram as well, and follow me on Instagram as well. Both the handles are mentioned below, and just check it out now. So yeah, bye.